When you think of Port Royal, what comes to your mind? Is it seafood, the airport, or maybe the historical site, like the lighthouse behind us? Or is it the new pier that was built to welcome curious tourists to our beautiful island home? Well, today we have a special treat for you. Today we're taking you on a tour of the Palisadoes-Port Royal Protected Area. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi, welcome to the Palisadoes-Port Royal Protected Area. The Palisadoes-Port Royal Protected Area is an area that comprises of both marine and terrestrial features. It was declared a protected area under the NRCA Act in 1998. It was declared a wetland of international importance, a Ramsar site, in April 2004.
So now that you know a little bit about the Palisadoes-Port Royal Protected Area, thank you so much, Italy. We're going to take a look at Port Royal through the years. We're going to look at the historical sites so that we can see where we're coming from and where we are now. Let's take a look.
My name is Anne-Marie Howard Brown, and I'm the curator at the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. The Jamaica National Heritage Trust is the agency that safeguards the Jamaican heritage, which includes the material culture. So we are in charge of all the historic sites and buildings, and also the archaeological sites and the artifacts that are recovered from these sites. The artifacts were excavated by three groups of persons. We have Robert Marks, who did an excavation in 1966. They had a combination of the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, the Institute of Nautical Archaeology, and Texas A&M. So these are results of these excavations.
I am Pepita and I'm a member of the CDC. The CDC helps the community to deal with certain issues that they may be facing. For example, we were having an issue on our beach where a lot of persons were driving with their vehicles on our beach and it was running it down, destroying it. It's really not good to drive on beaches. So we contacted NEPA and NEPA assisted us to have the beaches blocked so that no one could drive on it anymore. One of the major benefits of the wetlands surrounding us is that it is an income generator. So we have divers, fishermen, and they go out, they catch the catch, and they come and they sell it. One of our fishermen is Roy Brown, more popularly known as Uncle Roy, and he's going to be telling us more.
I am Roy Brown, fisherman in Port Royal. Right where we are now, we are in Port Royal downtown. They call it the fishing village. This is seaside otherwise, where the ferry stand is. Glorious area over there. And this is where all the fishermen come in. 3/4 of Port Royal fishermen. This is where we come in, sell our product and everything. But otherwise, my fishing in life, it helped me and my daughter. we can able to buy our next boat to put on the sea again. It's working on right now, and it helped me well.
I hope you're having as much fun as I am having. Do you want to learn some more about what the protected area has to offer? Well, let's go.
At the lab, we undergo many activities generally under research, outreach, and teaching. Now, we will be going on a mangrove boat tour. So in the harbor, or in Jamaica overall, we have 4 types of mangroves. The red mangrove, the black mangrove, the white mangrove, and the button mangrove. Currently, we are seeing the red mangrove. They have what is called prop roots, and they are mostly seen at the edge, at the water's edge. Mangroves are important as they help to protect the coastline from wind and wave action. Nursery ground for many species of fish, oysters, sponges, and ascidians.
Wow, that tour of the wetlands was excellent. I'm sure that the students really enjoyed when they visit the Port Royal Marine Lab. This year's theme for World Wetlands Day is Wetlands and Water. But wouldn't you agree that the importance of wetlands is far more than what is below or on the water? From the fisher folk to researchers to even joggers, all of us can benefit from the Palisadoes-Port Royal Protected Area. We really hope you enjoyed this tour. Until next time, I'm Travis Bartley.